How to check if you're blocked on TikTok? Well, the first thing, if you're blocked on TikTok, it won't open most likely. Like if it doesn't opens up, then basically that could be the first reason that, or a sign that you're blocked. The other thing is, let's say your TikTok opens up, but some activity like, TikTok doesn't works well or functions well. In that case, just click on profile and click on the 3 line at the top right of the screen. And then you want to click on settings and privacy at the bottom. And inside here, scroll all the way down and click on support in the bottom in the middle. And over here, click on safety center. Inside of safety center, you're going to see this option called account status. Click on it. If you have violated any TikTok guideline, it's going to show up over here. And if some guidelines show up over here, that means you have violated them. And those are likely the reason on why you're blocked. But if you see nothing over here and it's empty, you're probably not blocked. So yeah, that's the only way you guys can check if you're blocked or not in TikTok. And try using VPN. In some cases, some country blocks TikTok. That's why TikTok, via the country's rule, block your account. So use a VPN, it should work properly. So that's how you guys can check if you're blocked in TikTok. Subscribe to our channel.